everyone, today I'm just going to do a tutorial on this like easy to do black smoky eye. It's only using a few products too, so it's very easy to do, and I'm going to talk you through how to do it. Yeah, I would this is one of my go-to looks if I was going on a night out. I really like just black smoky eyes. It's really nice with like lashes and then like a nude look or whatever, and it goes with basically everything. So if you want to get like a black smoky eye without looking like you fell into ash buckets, continue watching. Okay, so first off I'm going to get my angle brush, the 31 teeth from England. Then I'm using 12 brow gel. So I want kind of like a light brow, because I think when you have like a black smoky eye you only need kind of like a light brow. I think if you did like a big harsh strong brow would be too much. So I'm just going in with that, so I'll show you what I'm doing now. So now I just tidy up underneath my eyebrow using my 22T brush, 95 under eye concealer and 21 cream concealer. I like them mixed together because it gives like more pigmentation and it really blocks out any like discoloration or anything on your lid. So I'm just going underneath my eyebrow just to make it more defined. Set all over my lid using 373, which is a white matte shade. So I'm just going to put that on my powder brush, which I'm using is the 46SS. I'm just going to powder that all over my lid. Taking like a grey kind of brown shade, and I'm going to just blend that into my crease, and I'm using my 6SS to blend it into my crease. This is going to act as my transition colour, so I'm going to go like in windscreen wiper motions across my crease and just work it in that way. Okay, so once I have the transition colour blended into my crease, I'm going in with 77 gel liner, so that's a black colour, and I'm just going to like do kind of like a dome shape on my lid. I'm not taking it as high as my crease, I'm taking it slightly below my crease, because once I blend it then I don't want it to be up too high, like I don't want to be touching my eyebrow or anything like that. So I'm just going to take it like close to my crease but not quite up to my crease. A flat eyeshadow brush, so I'm using the 9S. I'm going to get some Duraline and 63 shadow, which is a black shade, and I'm going to start like slowly bringing the black up, so I'm kind of smudging it. So I'm working from like the edge of the kind of dome shape and then slightly bringing it up just so it's nice and faded up the lid. Have that kind of blended with my blending brush again, I'm going in with the transition colour and just working that in the crease again, just so that it's still nice and faded. Apply 77 gel liner to my waterline and tight line, so that's kind of like the inner part of the eye. Really nice and smoky underneath my eyes too, so I'm going to take 77 gel liner underneath my lashes too, and then I'll blend it out. 9S brush again and some black eyeshadow and Duraline. I'm just going to smoke out underneath. With my transition shade again, so that is 342 from Inglot, and my 6SS, which is a blending brush, I'm just going to blend underneath my eye just so it's nice and faded underneath as well as on my lid. So now I'm going to apply mascara, and then I'll apply fake eyelashes after that. So now I'm going to apply my fake eyelashes, and the fake eyelashes I'm wearing today is the 30 ends by Inglot. The way I usually apply fake eyelashes would be I like apply a strip of glue to the lash, then I kind of go down like downwards like that, if it makes sense, so it gets right into the root of the lash, and then I start placing them down with like tweezers and kind of squeezing them with the tweezers together with your own lash, if that makes sense. I also apply mascara beforehand because you get longer wear out of the fake eyelashes if you don't have mascara on them, so I could wear these lashes a good few times because I'm not destroying them with mascara. So I usually do eye makeup first, but if you're doing like a black smoky eye, I would 100% recommend doing eyes before skin, because if there probably will be fallout if it's black. So I'm just going to remove the fallout underneath my eye, and then I'm going to go in with concealer. 95 under eye concealer to conceal underneath my eyes, and I use the 4SS brush because I don't want like a harsh line underneath my eyes. I still want it to be blended, so with this I find you can kind of work the product up and the eyeshadow underneath will still look blended. Now using my 22T brush, which is a flat synthetic brush, I'm just going to apply some 56 body sparkles from Inglot, which is like a white gold kind of glitter, so well, like more, not glitter, more of like a sparkle glitter thing. So I'm just going to pop that in the inner tear duct then, just to brighten up the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and then I'll show you the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos, because I do plan on doing more videos more frequently. Bye.